Nestled in the heart of Kusatsu Onsen, one of Japan's most famous hot spring towns near Tokyo, Osakaya Ryokan offers a traditional and cozy stay for visitors seeking to experience authentic Japanese hospitality. During my two-night stay, the charm of the Ryokan and its convenient location, just a short walk from the iconic Yubatake, made it an unforgettable experience. Upon arrival, if you're carrying large luggage, the Ryokan provides a free shuttle service from the Kusatsu Onsen bus terminal, which is a lifesaver considering the steep slopes leading to the property. Walking is possible, but the terrain can be challenging with heavy bags. Once you arrive, the elegant black and white facade of the Ryokan greets you, standing out with its grandeur amidst other accommodations in the area. The front porch adds a unique touch of sophistication, making the first impression truly remarkable. Stepping inside, you're welcomed into a spacious waiting area before entering the main hall, which features plush red carpets that instantly exude warmth and a sense of luxury. You'll be asked to remove your shoes and switch to the provided slippers, a custom that adds to the traditional Japanese Ryokan experience. The main hall houses a large waiting lounge, a tea area, and the reception desk, while the staircase leads to the dining area. A single elevator serves the Ryokan, conveniently connecting you to the guest rooms. The Ryokan also features gender-segregated public onsens that you can explore before heading to your room. As you walk through the carpeted corridors, the personalized nameplates displayed outside each room add a thoughtful touch. Our room for the stay was a traditional Japanese-style space with a small foyer, where slippers are removed before stepping onto the tatami mats. The room features a minibar, an electric kettle, and a small pantry area with basic drinking utensils. However, it's worth noting that the minibar items are not complimentary. The spacious tatami room, designed for both couples and families, combines a living and sleeping area. The furnishings include a wardrobe and a traditional safe with a key. There's also a small lounge area near the bathroom, which is equipped with a modular setup featuring a shower, a separate WC, and a bathtub. Basic amenities like toothbrushes, toothpaste, combs, and a hairdryer are thoughtfully provided. Our window overlooked the hillside, offering a peaceful view away from the bustling streets. Dining at Osakaya Ryokan is a delightful experience. Meals are served in the tatami dining hall on the second floor. Both breakfast and dinner are offered here, with the menu featuring traditional Japanese cuisine. Guests with dietary restrictions, such as an aversion to raw fish, can inform the staff in advance to have cooked alternatives prepared. The food was delicious and thoughtfully arranged, adding to the overall charm of the stay. One of the highlights of staying at Osakaya Ryokan is its proximity to Yubatake, the symbol of Kusatsu Onsen. Just a 1 to 2 minute walk away, the steaming hot water onsen are a must-visit both during the day and at night, when the illuminated setting creates a magical atmosphere. After exploring the town, you'll find your bedding prepared upon return, along with a small dessert, adding a personal and heartwarming touch. For those seeking a private hot spring experience, the Ryokan offers a private onsen that can be reserved for 800 yen for 45 minutes. Ideal for couples, families, or guests with tattoos, the private onsen features a changing area with baskets for belongings and a spacious bath. Remember to shower before entering the onsen, and don't forget to lock the door for privacy. On the day of checkout, the Ryokan provides a simple yet delicious breakfast. The shuttle van will transport you back to the Kusatsu Onsen bus terminal, but be sure to recognize the van and logo, as other Ryokans also operate shuttle services in the area. Overall, Osakaya Ryokan offers a blend of traditional charm, convenience, and thoughtful service, making it a perfect choice for travelers looking to immerse themselves in the serene beauty of Kusatsu Onsen. If you like to see the full POV shot of this video, you can access the link in the below description. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope this video helps you find the perfect accommodation for your trip to Kusatsu Onsen and safe travels.